With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet.
I regularly use a clove of garlic in the toilet. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at the results. Take a clove of garlic to the bathroom, peel it, and drop it into the toilet. It's best to do this overnight before going to sleep. You'll get rid of bacteria and various pathogens that were in the bowl, all without using chlorine or corrosive substances. In the morning, just flush the toilet, and you're done. It's best to perform this garlic home trick regularly, every few days. The positive effects will surprise you, and you won't have to worry about a bacteria-free toilet anymore. Another way to eliminate harmful bacteria and stains from the toilet is to mix garlic with vinegar. Fill a jug or a small pot with about 200 milliliters of water. Chop the garlic into small pieces and add it to the water. Garlic is known for killing viruses, bacteria, and fungi, and is a natural product available in every home. Add vinegar to the garlic-infused water and mix everything. Leave it for a while to let the mixture take effect. Vinegar is an eco-friendly ally in the fight against stains, limescale, mold, and bacteria. People who want to keep their bathroom clean without using strong chemicals appreciate its properties. Pour the garlic and vinegar mixture into the toilet and flush after some time. In this case, too, it's best to let the mixture stay in the toilet bowl overnight. It's a homemade and inexpensive way to have a clean toilet, free from bacteria, mold, and viruses. The toilet will be disinfected without using harmful chlorine products, and all this without spending a lot of money on their purchase. How do you maintain toilet cleanliness? How often do you clean it, and what products do you use? Let me know in the comments.
The toilet seat has hidden buttons. Thanks to them, you'll get rid of contaminants and those yellow urine stains. When you're tidying up the bathroom, cleaning the toilet seat is always problematic. Dirt accumulates not only on the seat itself, but also underneath it. In the area where the seat is attached to the toilet. Here, you can also see yellow stains, and this is a hard-to-reach area. You'll soon learn how to clean such a seat. The stains will disappear. Everything will be clean and disinfected. Cleaning the seat from time to time is easier under the shower or in the bathtub. Then you can easily clean it. You can even scrub the nooks and crannies underneath the seat. If we remove the seat, we can also clean the place where it attaches to the toilet. It's impossible to do this on a daily basis. Only after removing the seat will you notice how much dirt there is here. And if you also remove those metal covers, you'll be even more horrified. But how to remove a toilet seat? It turns out that every seat has buttons that allow you to do this. Depending on the type of toilet, these can be 2 separate buttons like here. Each one at a different attachment point. Sometimes it can be 1 button in the middle. See how easy it is to remove the seat when you press them. Now all you have to do is take it under the shower or into the bathtub. Dissolve a Corega tabs capsule in a bottle of water. It's the best product for cleaning yellow stains on the toilet seat. Corega tabs destroy bacteria, whiten, and remove discoloration. This is all your toilet seat needs. With this spray, you'll also clean the place where the seat attaches to the toilet. Just spray it and everything comes off. The toilet will shine. The yellow stains and dirt will disappear in a few minutes, and you'll enjoy a clean toilet. Here's how I save a lot of money. First, grate some soap using a coarse grater. Pour the grated soap into a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of salt. Squeeze an entire tube of toothpaste into the bowl. Also, add 30 milliliters of dishwasher rinse aid and 30 milliliters of dish soap, which contains surfactants that remove dirt and residues. The water softener in the detergent helps to eliminate limescale. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Transfer the mixture into smaller bowls. Add a bit of food coloring to each bowl for better contrast, and mix until well combined. Use a spoon to transfer the mixture into molds and let it set for a few minutes. Then, take one of the balls to the toilet. It's an eco-friendly alternative. Drop it into the toilet bowl and pour in 500 milliliters of vinegar. The resulting foam cleans just as well as store-bought cleaners. This homemade alternative costs just a few dollars and works just as effectively. Now your toilet will be sparkling clean and the bathroom will smell fresh and pleasant. Plus, it's inexpensive and easy to make at home. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. Drop this powder into the toilet bowl. It will remove stubborn residue and limescale. Without chlorinated and harmful chemicals, you'll get rid of stains and dirt. Cleaning the toilet has never been so simple. You no longer need to ventilate the bathroom during cleaning to get rid of harmful bleach fumes. This powder will tackle a dirty toilet much faster. Prepare a few powdery products, and the residue in the toilet will disappear. Start with regular flour. Flour adheres well to dirt, making it easier to remove. Our grandmothers already used its cleaning properties. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt acts as an antiseptic, disinfectant, and abrasive. Add a little baking soda. It has disinfecting, whitening properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. In a few seconds, you'll make a super powder for cleaning dirt. Before cleaning the toilet, first spray its surface with plain water. Then sprinkle the dirt with this powder. Wait about 20 minutes. After this time, take a brush and scrub the toilet. You'll see that the dirt will come off quickly. The toilet will be cleaner than ever.